Today we're looking at a couple of simple reversal patterns using Japanese candlesticks. We're going to look at the theory, what we mean by a reversal pattern, what you're looking out for, what these patterns are called, what it means. Do keep watching to the end of the video because I also want to show you quite a neat trick using Trading 212's web app, a feature in there that allows you to spot these patterns quickly and easily. Hello, I'm Peter Martin with Trading 212 and we add educational videos about trading regularly to YouTube. If you click on the subscribe button and the alarm bell icon, you'll get a notification every time we push out new content. Well, let's not waste any time. Let's get into looking at the first of these patterns, which is bearish and bullish engulfing candlestick patterns. So here we have bearish engulfing and bullish engulfing. We'll start with the bearish engulfing. First of all, we need to talk about what we mean by a reversal. A reversal is a change in direction from the prevailing trend. We can see here that we've got bit of an uptrend in terms of three green candles. Prices have been rising, and then the actual pattern itself just about two candles in relation to each other, and we can see that we've got this bearish candle and its body engulfs the whole of the preceding candle, and that suggests that we may get a reversal. Similarly, with the bullish engulfing, we can see that we've got a bit of a downwards trend going on there with all these bearish candles one after each other. And then the pattern itself is just these two candles here. This second candle, its body engulfs entirely the preceding candle, and we may get a reversal is the theory. So that was bullish and bearish engulfing candlestick patterns. Let's now move on to look at our second reversal pattern, which is the Harami, the bullish Harami and the bearish Harami. So here we have a bearish Harami and a bullish Harami. Let's start with the bearish Harami, and we can see that we've got a bit of a bullish run going on in terms of price movement with these three green candles. The pattern itself is just all about these two candles, and the pattern is that the second candle is smaller, its body is entirely contained within the body of the preceding candle. And so we can see that this close, where we closed higher than the previous open, on the open of this second candle, we've gapped, and that is showing that there's something a bit lacking in terms of the previously bullish forces. And so possibly this might indicate a reversal in direction. And similarly with the bullish Harami, that we can see here, we've got a bit of a downtrend going on, descending candles, bearish candles, but then with the pattern is just these two final candlesticks. This one's body is entirely contained within the preceding candles, and that might indicate a reversal. So that's the theory. Let's now move on to look at some actual charts using Trading 212's web app and a special feature that will allow you to recognize these patterns really easily. So here we have a 4-hour chart of pound against US dollar, and I'm just zoomed in a little bit on this chart. So we just need to go over to the right-hand side of the screen and click on this icon, the Chart Explorer icon, and then in the Chart Properties section, down at the bottom, we just need to switch patterns here to on, like that. And now the app automatically identifies a variety of patterns for you. Now, it does identify quite a few more than the ones that I've introduced today, but as we can see, the engulfing and Harami patterns do tend to be the most frequent to appear. And in fact, on this one, we've only got those types, but there are plenty of others that this little feature can identify, including homing pigeon, descending hawk, shooting star, all sorts of others. So let's just have a look at what we've got here. We can see we've got price trending lower here on the left of the screen, and we do get a bullish engulfing here, but it doesn't result in a reversal. However, towards the end of April here, we got another bullish engulfing pattern, and this time we did see a price reverse in direction. Obviously, given the frequency with which these patterns appear, and we do get lots of them all the time, obviously you aren't going to see a reversal each time or even have a particularly great hit rate in success. Like any technical tool, you shouldn't trust too much to any one method, but if you are using other methods to try and identify a possible reversal, an oscillator, for example, this can be an additional piece of information to help complement your analysis. So let's have a look here on the right-hand side. We can see we've got this bullish Harami. The price is trending down, but it didn't result in a reversal as yet or straight afterwards. But maybe if we add on an oscillator, let's add on relative strength index. Just add that on with the default settings. We can see that it's in oversold when we got that pattern, but it never comes back out and keeps descending lower. So if you were keeping an eye on that, that might tell you not to put too much stock into that reversal pattern. If we just move on to oil here, I've got, once again, it's a 4-hour chart, and I've added on the chart patterns onto this one as well. We can see that there are some others other than the Engulfing and Harami. We can see there's a shooting star there, but we can see we've got a quite nice one here with the bullish Harami where the price was swinging lower. We can see that the market responded, the price action following this big bearish candle. We can see we just a bit of a pause in the thinking of this downward swing, and then what did come afterwards in subsequent candles was actually a reversal in direction. So that was just a quick look at the chart pattern feature using Trading 212's web app. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please take a moment to hit the thumbs up button and give us a like, or why not share your thoughts with us in the comments section. We do read each one. But that's all for now from me, Peter Martin, and Trading 212. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.